Hello again and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I put together this cute jingle bell wreath using items from Dollar Tree. For this project I used a wire wreath, some jingle bells. I think I used about 3.5 packages of each color. Some burlap ribbon. I had this left over from Hobby Lobby from last year, but you can get burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. This cute plaid ribbon from Dollar Tree and a hot glue gun. So I started by first wrapping the wire wreath in burlap ribbon. I did this because when I was trying to figure out how I was going to put it together and put the bells on, I didn't like that it looked so spaced out. So I feel that the burlap ribbon fills it in nicely and gives it an extra nice touch. I finished by folding the end into the wreath and hot gluing it in place. Next, I attached the bells. I didn't like how they were lining up at first, so I removed the first few and I started over. That's why you see a couple of glue marks. I found out that if I did one row at a time and that it spread out nicely and it looked more organized. I realized that at the end it shows 2 red rows, but I ended up covering up that with ribbon at the end and it looked just fine. You will probably want to use a stronger glue like some E6000 glue rather than the hot glue gun, because at the end I did realize that I had to reattach a few of the bells, especially when I went to hang it. So like I said earlier, don't worry about the 2 rows of red because we will cover it up with the ribbon like this. I think this turned out so lovely. I'm just really proud of it. So I measured and cut the plaid ribbon, but I felt that the plaid bow needed a little more, so I added the burlap ribbon to it. I measured out the burlap ribbon, cut it in half, and hot glued both of the pieces to each side of the plaid ribbon, and I think it turned out super cute. To make the bow, I measure the ribbon according to how big I would like the bow to be, and then I pinch the front and back in the middle and wrap some twine around, or you can use ribbon or anything else to secure it. Next, I cut another small piece of ribbon, folded it inward, and wrapped it around the middle and hot glued it in the back. After I secured the bow in place with my hot glue gun, it was done. And I really love this wreath. I cannot say that enough. It turned out exactly how I pictured it in my head, and I am so super excited for the Christmas season now. I can't even. What do you think? I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I am new and I'm just starting out, but I do plan on making more DIY videos as well as anything else that might pique my interest. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye!